Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on HIMS just 5 days ago, to be precise, on June 13th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $55.24 at pre-market hours. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we potentially completed ABC correction on a bigger scale, and I explained to my viewers how the things might evolve in this so-called consolidation phase. And as long as this pivot holds at $51.58, we have a decent chances to hit its major price target that was set at roughly $84. And guys, take a look right here. When I made my previous video, we were at this very point, and since I made it, we have a movement to the upside that gained about 10%. About 10% to the value of HIMS stock. And for now, guys, I have an amazing news that potentially might drive the price of this asset even higher. And I will show you what crucial levels do we have from the technical standpoint in order to remain bullish. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account. And guys, to be honest, within next couple of weeks, I will remove a couple of tiers, low-cost tiers. I will add much more perks, much more benefits for the Safe Haven tier and for the Gold tier as well. And it is pretty much your last chance to join my Patreon with just $1 a day. And take a look, let me show you the sneak peek of my recent calls. Just yesterday, as you can see, I made this call on Netflix when the price of this asset was $1.227. It was at 1 a.m. And I told to my patrons that it is a new opportunity to short Netflix. Then, guys, I covered this price action in a live pretty much basis. And right here, I identified 3 price targets for Netflix. And we hit all of them. On top of that, I told to my patrons that they can put their stop loss orders in green and try to ride the trend, because we can hit much lower price targets. And guys, less than 24 hours before this call, I made another call, and it was a call on GME. Take a look right here. Wait a second, I will show you first of all the exact call. It was made on June the 10th. And it was a short put butterfly. You can see that within just several days it became profitable, and it was about 10% profit on the initial investment. This means, guys, 2 out of 2 successful calls within just a couple of days, and that is why you can rely on my technical analysis, and you can join my Patreon for the low prices, at least for now.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on a bigger scale, I have to admit that this asset is extremely bullish. From the beginning of April, it formed 1, 2, and 3 waves to the upside. Potentially, it is the contender of the bottom of the 4th wave. You can see it right here. And if so, guys, we have at least 1 more leg to the upside to complete its 5th wave. And the price target is still right here at $84.86. All the details about the technical levels of invalidation I will show you within just several minutes, but for now let's take a look at some fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to the so-called smart money investors list. And if you sort these companies by the number of shares from the biggest one to smallest, you can see that well, we have mixed filings from the major investors. From the beginning of May, we have several updates. And I have to admit that, yes, some companies added to their position, like Goldman Sachs, added 47.2% to its current position. And they hold about $241 million, more than $241 million in value in HIMS. But BlackRock reduced its position by almost 20%, and they still hold about $716.4 million. Another company, Vanguard Group, also reduced its position by 8.78%, and they hold more than $500 million in this stock. And another branch of Vanguard, as you can see, added 3.68%. And as you can see, it is a quite mixed behavior of the major investors in HIMS. This means this asset is still in consolidation phase. And that is why, guys, we don't have any substantial movements, any impulsive movements that we had from the very beginning of April. And right here, from the mid of January of this year, when this asset gained again about 200% to its value. So let me show you a very important update that might be a catalyst for the upcoming weeks for HIMS&HERS. 21 hours ago, Travis wrote this. HIMS launches biotin plus minoxidil gummy for HERS brand. Here's why it matters. This is the first ever prescription hair regrowth gummy, and it perfectly embodies HIMS' motto of personalization through data. The personalization in their compounding makes each user unique, new form factors for better adherence, adjusting dosage strength to reduce side effects, combining ingredients to address multiple clinical needs. And guys, this is a very important to see this this add-on to their product lineup that will definitely solve a lot of problems for their existing and new customers. And the crucial point is that they can attract with each and every new product quite substantial number of new people who will use these products on a consistent basis. On top of that, take a look right here. Just yesterday, Travis wrote, HIMS, tomorrow will likely be a major step toward preventive care. Andrew and the HIMS&HERS team have strongly hinted that preventative healthcare is the future of where the company is headed. And he added he refers to the Twitter account of Andrew Durham and he published on June 18th. What launches tomorrow took many years to perfect, from the industrial design of the machines to the safety procedures delivering consistency and quality. Tomorrow, a small glimpse into the future of what we are building. What I believe is one aspect of the future of healthcare. It's one step of many towards a world where feeling great is effortless, enjoyable and empowering. Sometimes the inspiration for innovation lives in plain sight. An apple a day, they used to say. I think they might have been right. And guys, you can see that again, very important to see the improvement in their lineup. And you know that today is the holiday on the New York Stock Exchange. That is why potential movement of HIMS&HERS stock will be tomorrow, on tomorrow's session. And that is why you have to be prepared for this. Let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I mentioned in my previous video, we potentially completed this type of correction. You know that 5 waves, 5 impulsive waves on a smaller scale should be followed by 3 waves of correction. And these 3 waves of first correction, let me show you like this. These 3 waves might be a part of a bigger correction like this, and in this case this might be the bottom of the second retest of the bottom of this wave if the top of the B wave is around its previous swing high, and from this point we might see a movement to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. We have this setup at this very point, and potential this is the bottom of the C wave, and from this point, as long as this pivot holds at $51.58, we have all the chances to hit at least $84.86, which implies from our current price about, wait a second, about 40% of potential profit. But be cautious because we have a potential major bear catalyst for the entire market, and you can see it right here. Wall Street braces for sharp sell-off if US enters conflict. And this article is talking about the Middle East conflict between Iran and Israel. That is why if US will step into this conflict, it will definitely be a major sell-off for entire market, and that is why, guys, you have to keep in mind of the breakout below this level. because if it breaks it to the downside, the price target will be different. That is why, guys, as long as this pivot holds, we have all the chances to hit $84.86. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star.